Hey everyone. The past 3 weeks have been a lot, so to speak. Especially last week, I've been really trying to connect with community in all ways that I can, not just online but offline. Vlogging has become a real great joy of mine, and even though I'm just sharing my life online to whoever may see this, it's really important to me right now to find joy and hope where we can and move forward where we can. That being said, I have this vlog from a while back that I'm excited to share, really, and get back into it. I really like this format of sharing my life online. To whoever's watching this, thank you so much for joining that journey with me. I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can, and Hawthorne and I are very, 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 very thankful. Yeah, so let's get into it.
Wait. Okay.
Hey guys, another busy week when it comes to just work and family. All really good things. I had my grandma unexpectedly see me because she was in town, and it was just a joy to have her over. And then the weekend after that, I went over to Texas because Riley's family does an art auction every year because her father owns a gallery. We help out every single year, and it's an event. Really cool to see some of the art that is being sold for auction. We just got back in LA from doing that. It's been still kind of go, so I'm just finding pockets of time to just sit out in nature and take myself out on a little coffee date. I'm at one of my favorite spots to go to, very near and usually never really crowded. I'm taking today to just kind of reset. Secured the goods. I drove like 30 minutes just into the valley to get this because it's the only place I saw online that sold whole smoked mackerel. I'm excited to try it. It was only $7, by the way, so it was really cheap for getting a whole prepared fish. Great source of protein. Yeah, the people inside were so nice. I got the last one and I asked if it's been pretty popular lately, and she immediately was like, oh yeah, because of TikTok, right? Is this your first time trying it? It is my first time trying like whole smoked mackerel prepared in the way that they do on TikTok. And I told her I love fish, which is very true. I love fish. So she told me I'm gonna love it. I can't wait to try it because I think I am gonna love it. I always love a smoked fish. So I'm gonna stop by Lazy Acres on the way home to go get some onion and some dill, some potatoes, and whip up a plate. So I just got back from Lazy Acres, and just my luck, it was seafood weekend and their king crab legs were 50% off. So I just had to get one. And their king crab legs are from Russia. So I feel like it's on theme. Of course, I'm gonna grab this. Like, duh. I can't wait to go home and eat this. So here we go. I'm gonna be trying smoked mackerel. Yum. Actually, we changed our minds. We're getting Molly. We're opening up blind boxes from Mart. Riley got. What do you got?
Yes. Oh. I got the Molly Artline Anniversary Statues Classical Retro. I'm really excited about it. For this, it looks like that there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 different options. Looks like there's 3 secret ones. Don't know what those are.
You cool with all of them?
Let me see. I think I am. I think I'm good with all of them. Yeah, they're all so cute. I actually think that I would be happy with every single one.
I got the Kubo Walks of Life series. So I
that
really
one's
like
cute.
the cowboy, which is right there. And then the little guy with the camera. Those are like my top 2, but I would honestly be really happy with any one of these.
I think that I like Molly D, Salute to the Childhood Classic. I also really like Molly V, Salute to the Great Artists. I like her colors. Also, this is our first time getting one of these.
Yeah.
We walked into the store at Century City and we're overwhelmed. So.
Yeah, and we're like, oh, these kind of look tight. And we've always seen them online.
Look at her little face. We're gonna do a little.
Whoa.
Okay. Ooh, they feel good. You ready?
Go.
Here first.
Oh, she's
so
cute.
Oh my gosh, it looks like carved wood.
Look how
Oh my
cute
gosh,
she
she's
is.
so cute.
So which one's this one?
So we got my another half.
Because it's half
Love
an
her.
angel. Like, do you see it?
Yes. Oh my god.
That's really cute.
I love it.
You wanted to do it? Okay, here we go. Okay.
Oh, so cute.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Okay, don't look. And then ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Yay! You got the camera one.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks exactly like you.
I know, and look, it has a little sling bag with like little flowers on it. Oh my gosh, is this not
God.
literally something I would wear to a T?
That is literally you.
Yeah.
Your camera.
I know. Oh my gosh, this little guy is so cute. Okay, now we have to get the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's an issue now.
I love it when you find like blind boxes where you're like obsessed with pretty much all of them.
He even only has one earring in. Wait, what is his name?
His name is Click Click.
Oh,
That makes
that's
sense.
so cute.
Okay, we need all of these.
I can't believe you got it.
Yay, let's have them kiss. We are at Disney's California Adventure on a weekday. It's quite nice because it's not busy at all. So we think. I have to finish up some work. We love working remotely from here. It's a really good place to be in a nice, fun environment while actually doing some work. It makes the day go by a lot faster. We're on the way to the Grand Californian to, I don't know, set up shop with my laptop and finish up the workday. Okay, so now that we
Put our stuff in a locker.
put our stuff in a locker,
Work is over.
work is over. We're going back to California Adventure to grab some dinner. I mobile ordered the birria ramen from Lucky Fortune, which is just a fan fave of mine. I've never tried their drinks, and they have this drink that's a lychee iced tea with lychee and coconut jelly. That just sounds so good and refreshing, especially with a little bit of ramen. I'm so excited and I'm so hungry.
And we're gonna eat a lot today.
Yeah.
We're gonna have a little date night.
Yeah.
And date night.
Little weeknight date night.
What time is it now? It's 5:45.
It's time to
We still
rock.
have a lot of time left. We have like 4 hours at California Adventure, 6 hours at Disneyland plus some change.
Yeah.
We get a lot done. It's not that proud of me that though.
Yeah, we're double vlogging today. Who's also vlogging? Is it you? It's her. But yeah, go follow Riley in real life.
Yeah.
We're heading out of the park and towards Disneyland Hotel to Trader Sam's and Tangaroa Terrace.
It's so nice out here.
It's so nice outside. It's perfect weather.
Yeah, we're sitting in the little new picnic pavilion and it's so cute. They got a little band.
Yeah.
Good date night.
Perfect impromptu date night.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. We forgot to that's all. We forgot to end it in the parks or in Disneyland, but we had such a nice night.
Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah. It's really nice being able to go to the parks like unstressed and just kind of taking it as it comes. I think that's what
Yeah.
kind of makes some of the best date nights.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was really fun.